Earthquake. An earthquake happens when built-up energy inside the Earth's crust is suddenly released. The ground shakes as tectonic plates move along faults beneath the surface. Some earthquakes last only a few seconds, while powerful ones can trigger widespread destruction. They can damage buildings, roads, and bridges, and in coastal regions they may also generate tsunamis. Volcanic eruption. A volcanic eruption occurs when magma, gases, and ash escape from deep within the earth. Some eruptions produce slow-moving lava flows, while others explode with tremendous force and send ash high into the atmosphere. Volcanoes have shaped landscapes for millions of years, creating mountains, islands, and fertile soil. At the same time, major eruptions can threaten nearby communities and affect global weather. Tornado. A tornado is a rapidly rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. Wind speeds inside the strongest tornadoes can exceed 300 miles per hour. Although most tornadoes are relatively small, they can destroy homes, uproot trees, and move heavy vehicles within minutes. They are most common in regions where warm and cold air masses frequently collide. Hurricane. A hurricane is a massive tropical storm that forms over warm ocean waters. As it gathers strength, it develops a calm ice surrounded by powerful winds and heavy rain. Hurricanes can travel hundreds of miles while bringing dangerous storm surges, flooding, and widespread wind damage. Some of the strongest storms remain active for more than a week before weakening over land or cooler water. Tsunami. A tsunami is a series of enormous ocean waves usually caused by an underwater earthquake, volcanic eruption, or landslide. In deep water, these waves may pass almost unnoticed, but as they approach the shore they grow dramatically in height. When they reach land, they can flood entire coastal communities within minutes. Tsunamis have caused some of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. Flood. A flood occurs when water covers land that is normally dry. Heavy rainfall, overflowing rivers, rapid snowmelt, or storm surges can all lead to flooding. Some floods develop gradually, while flash floods can arrive with little warning. Besides damaging homes and infrastructure, floods often leave behind contaminated water and long-lasting economic impacts. Wildfire. A wildfire is an uncontrolled fire that spreads through forests, grasslands, or other natural areas. Lightning is a common natural cause, although human activity is responsible for many wildfires as well. Dry vegetation, strong winds, and hot temperatures allow flames to spread quickly across large distances. Wildfires can reshape entire ecosystems while also threatening towns and wildlife. Landslide. A landslide happens when rock, soil, and debris move downhill under the force of gravity. Heavy rain, earthquakes, volcanic activity, or erosion can weaken slopes until they collapse. Some landslides move slowly over time, while others race downhill at incredible speeds. They can bury roads, homes, and entire villages with little warning. Avalanche. An avalanche is a rapid flow of snow down a mountain slope. It often begins after fresh snowfall, rising temperatures, or disturbances on unstable snow layers. Once moving, an avalanche can gather enormous amounts of snow, ice, and rocks. These events pose serious dangers to hikers, skiers, and mountain communities during the winter season. Drought. A drought is a long period with little or no rainfall, causing severe water shortages. Rivers shrink, crops fail, and reservoirs gradually become depleted. Prolonged droughts can affect food supplies, wildlife, and entire economies. In many regions, they also increase the risk of wildfires by drying out vegetation. Blizzard. A blizzard is an intense winter storm marked by strong winds, heavy snowfall, and extremely low visibility. Unlike an ordinary snowstorm, a blizzard can create whiteout conditions that make travel nearly impossible. Snowdrifts may block roads, while freezing temperatures pose serious risks to anyone caught outdoors. Even modern cities can be brought to a standstill during a major blizzard. Heat wave. A heat wave is an extended period of unusually high temperatures that lasts for several days or longer. These events place stress on people, animals, and infrastructure, especially in urban areas where concrete traps heat. Heat waves can increase the demand for electricity, damage crops, and contribute to drought conditions. They have become more frequent in many parts of the world over recent decades.